Hi everybody, I'm Tiffany with Quilt Quarters and it is already September. So I wanted to get on here and tell you what all is happening this month and upcoming in October. This year is flying by, but we've got a lot going on. In a couple of weeks, starting on September 17th, we are having our schoolhouse shop hop. And if you come in to purchase your passport, which is this right here, we have them up at the counter. They're $13. You'll receive the book that we're working through this year called For the Love of Pre-Cuts. And each store will be making one of the patterns in here. And ours is the Confetti Carnival. And you can see the original was done in some Prisma dye batiks, kind of like a tie-dye look. But we decided to do ours in some Lori Holt fabric. So I did a little print off of what ours looks like. It is a fun pattern, and we will have kits available for this. But this is just a wonderful book, and it has a lot of beautiful patterns in here that use pre-cuts. And every store will have a sample from this book and have kits. The shop hop goes from September 17th through the 20th. Everybody's hours will be the same. They are 10 to 5 on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So it is a 4-day shop hop. And there are 6 stores included. And there are prizes, and there is a 20% off coupon that everybody's going to offer everyone as they come in the store to visit. And there is also going to be a comeback coupon. But the prizes are great. They are listed on our website and online. There is a Facebook page that has been committed for this shop hop, and you can go on there and follow us and get all the updates, and you can see all the quilt samples that all the stores have posted. This is a fun event that we've been doing for years, and we would love for you to join us for this shop hop. It is September 17th through the 20th, and passports are available now for purchase, so come snag yours today. Next, we have our Cuddle Up with Bernina event, and it is a 2-day event, September 26th and 27th. And if you have never sewn with Shannon Cuddle before, this would be a really great opportunity for you to do so. And also be able to use and sew on a Bernina serger. We're going to be providing the machines. There are going to be L890s, L860s. These all have LCD computers, and they're air threaders. They are fabulous, and we would love for you to get your hands on these machines, as well as learn how to sew with Shannon Cuddle. Shannon Cuddle sews beautifully with all quilt projects, the long arm, machine quilting, and the little projects that you're going to be making and leaving with during this event. It is September 26th and 27th. The cost is $149.99. The early bird special has passed, so the full price is there, but there are still seats available. And check out these projects. We got our samples in. They just were delivered, and I've got them posted at the front of the store. This is the infinity scarf that you will learn to make, and we are going to have extras. So after you learn how to make this scarf, you're going to want to buy more to make these as gifts for the holidays. Another thing you'll be making is this little throw with some Shannon Cuddle, and then also this little pocket pillow case that you can throw a, uh, a form in to make it a pillow. But it'll be like a little pillow sleeve that you can buy and purchase a insert for that. But these 3 projects will be discussed and sewn during this 2-day event. So we would love for you to join us. There are some seats available, so you can call us today and secure your seat. Next, we have another Bernina event happening. It's happening in October, and we are again going to offer a early bird special for $99. So in October 10th and 11th, we have a 2-day event that we are going to be using. We will be again providing all the machines, and you will be sewing and quilting on the new Bernina 7 Series Pro machines, the 770, the 790, as well as the new 990 machine. So if you haven't had a chance to get your hands on these machines, you will have this chance during this 2-day event. Lunch will be provided, and the first day we're going to be doing a class called Quilt It All. And let me leave you with some tidbits of this lecture experience, but you're going to have your hands on and practice with these techniques. You're going to be expanding your quilting skills. You're going to be discovering how to do walking foot quilting, free motion quilting, ruler work quilting, as well as automated quilting. And so there's just so many ways to quilt your quilts these days. Rather than sending them off to your long armor, you can actually own a machine that you can do all of these techniques on. So our fabulous educator, Kathy Shalda, we just love her so much. She is going to be teaching this event for us and showing these techniques. And then you're going to have time with a swatch of fabric to practice these techniques on these machines. So that is day 1. And then day 2 is called Piece by Piece. And in this event, you're going to be completing a stylus functional zippered pouch. And some of the techniques that you're going to be learning is stitching with decorative stitching, quilting in the hoop. You're going to be experimenting with couching, free motion quilting, stitching with vinyl. Have you ever stitched with vinyl? It's a fun product to use, so you'll be doing that. You're also going to be stitching a zipper or adding a zipper, embroidery, and a whole lot more. So we are so excited about this 2-day event, and we would love for you to come and join us for this. So take advantage of that early bird special, $99, and secure your seat. These are wonderful Bernina events, and we would love for you to join us. So that is all I have for you today. We just are so excited about this fall. Can you believe it? We're going to have to bring those sweaters out pretty soon. So, and we've got fabric coming in, and we can take care of all your sewing, quilting, embroidery needs. We have sewing machines, embroidery machines, and sales all the time. So y'all come and see us. Thanks.